In primetime news this evening, deadly gun attack rocks Westmoreland yet again. 2 students, the latest victims.
Unprecedented. Privy Council President wants judges from countries it serves to join them in hearing cases.
And taxpayers to foot multi-million-dollar bill after state's failed Privy Council case against Vibes Cartel. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. Special welcome to those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janella, we can recall the 2021 fire at Jamaica. Well, they say production is back at those levels before the fire. So I'll have the details and some plans about investments that they have earmarked in the business day.
Okay, and for a preview of what's to come in primetime sports, here's Jermaine Brown. Jermaine?
Well, thanks, Herman. Well, Billy Heaven has been voted out as president of the Jamaica Cricket Association. We'll tell you who is the new president a bit later on.
And Romaine is also here with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks so much, Janella. Now, there are a few thunderstorms still expected to occur across the area in the afternoon tomorrow, but we're still holding dry conditions on the weekend.
There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the package. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what do you make of the suggestion by the president of the Privy Council to have senior judges from other countries sit with the Privy Council and hear cases?
Now you can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.